Hi foodies, today we're making something familiar in a fun and a different way. We're making some twisted fried dumplings, or you could call them fried dumpling nuts, whatever you prefer. Let's get into it. Now it's super simple guys. I have many fried dumpling videos here on the channel. So all you need to do is make your dough and rest it. Okay, so that's what I have here. Some dough resting under a damp paper towel. Okay. Now, if you want to, you could roll this out into a long, slender shape and then cut it up, or you could do it like this. Flatten the dough and then cut it into equal pieces. You can do them as small as you want. Now for the shaping, very simple. It's kind of like you're making Jamaican spinners for soup or stew peas. Or if you're making fried festival, you just want to get that long shape. So you roll it between your palms or on the clean surface. And then all you're going to do is just tie a knot. That's really it. So tie the knot and then you can leave it open like this. Or you can twist it even further and just seal those, tuck them under and in, and that's it. So easy. It is that simple guys. It's just a fun way to have fried dumplings. As a matter of fact, you could even do festivals this way if you want to. Now if you are one of my supporters that's still afraid to try fried dumpling because you're worried about the raw center or you're worried about it not being perfectly round, this is the perfect shape for you because it's easy to cook this way because it's not that thick round ball. Trust me, it cooks very evenly and easily. Once all of these are rolled, all you need to do is fry them. You can fry them at about 350 until they are floating and they're going to be golden brown and puffed up. Okay, they are so easy to fry guys, I promise you. Then you just want to drain them in the fryer basket or on a wire rack. You can do paper towels, but briefly, because if they sit on the paper towels they're going to get soggy, and that is it. Look at how cute these are. So it's really simple. It's fried dumplings, but a fun shape. This is nice for a holiday brunch or even something just to get the kids more excited about having breakfast. I love these. Now, of course, if you are not familiar with the Jamaican cuisine, we usually have this for breakfast, but if you do make festival, then you can have it for lunch or dinner. And I had this with some ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. Nope, it's not scrambled eggs, so don't even ask. It's ackee, a fruit, and it is so scrumptious. Give this a try guys. I really enjoy making these fried dumplings because my son loves this twisted shape. Let me know what you think once you try it, and do this and you'll get over that fear of frying dumpling, I promise you. Enjoy.